Okay, we got her all in DP now. Next phase. Next step will be doing the body work. We'll let it sit for 3 days, 4 days, and then we'll start doing body work over the DP. It's getting real close. It's getting real close. He's down to just the last little bit of standing. Dan had to strip all the paint. There's a bunch of bad paint around the cowling there. He stripped all that down. He's going to re-primer it. And he's got everything sealed. All the joints are seam sealed. He got everything ready to go right now. He's got the color, got just a base color on the inside of the jambs. He got a little bit of color on the outside of the hood, fenders, and doors, or the hoods and doors. He put a little DB 500 just to protect it, and then we're going to mount the doors and the hood, and they'll paint it all at one time. So we're getting really close. We should have the doors on it, I'm hoping, tomorrow, and then it'll be ready to paint. I'd do a little update on the Mopar. We got the sides all buffed out. Got the roof all buffed out. Got the deck lid all buffed out. Got the hood all buffed out. It looks really nice. Dad really went all out getting this thing nice for the gentleman. We're gonna put it back together next week, put the wheels back on it. The glass goes back in Thursday morning, and we can start putting the trim back on it. It's getting really, really close. They're coming in today to put the windows in it. We're going with the original chrome around the windows, as the aftermarket chrome, it's just too flimsy and was not working. We had to change some of the clips. We had some issues with the clips were too loose, and they had the wrong clips for the bottom, so we had to get new clips for it. We put all new clips in it across the bottom. Got all new clips in the back. So basically all we got left to put the back windows, front windows, side windows in, and you got his grill, and it's all back together. We have Atlantis Glass from Warrenton, Oregon. They're over here installing the windows into the Roadrunner. We had to take all the brand new clips off and put all the original clips. The aftermarket clips, the aftermarket moldings would not work. And so we're reinstalling all the original old clips back in the car. And Don's installing the original moldings, not the aftermarket ones, because he said the aftermarket ones were kind of chintzy, and he was right, they're totally different. This is Don right here. And they're just now getting the windshield in, and we're putting all new clips in the back, and then hopefully it'll be all done. And I'm not quite sure what's going on here. They might have had to put a little urethane down there and hold that down. I don't know quite what that's all about. You got the front glass all in with the original moldings. That looks nice. The original moldings aren't in that bad a shape, so that done. I think all they got left on now is the owner's going to have to put his grill in, and I think the grill, and it's ready to rock and roll. It looks nice. Came out real good. Put his wipers on it, put his grill in, antenna, and he's got all new interior. He's going to put the interior in it himself. He's got his son and grandson coming down. They're going to put the interior in it. We're going to tow it to his house tomorrow. We're going to tow it to his house so he can start putting the seats and stuff back in it. Looks pretty nice. Can't close the doors yet. They got to do a little bit there.